sa inyong lahat. I have the pleasure to present to you our birth final research output entitled Reading Games, Its Effect on the Reading Proficiency of Grade 6 Onyx of Maharlika Elementary School, School Year 2019-2020. For the abstract of the study, this study used the descriptive correlational design. The subjects of the study were the 40 frustrated readers of Maharlika Elementary School for the school year 2019-2020. The grade 6 pupils section Onyx of Maharlika Elementary School were the subjects of the study. This study made use of the modified informal reading inventory or PhilErie of Silver-Burdett Engine 1989, adapted from the study of ANCAD 2015. The data were analyzed using frequency, percentage, and t-test using SPSS. The findings of the study concluded that reading games are effective in improving the reading proficiency of the frustrated readers, both in word recognition and comprehension. And for the significance of the study, I would like to call the other proponent of this research, Sir Oliver Agnes, to discuss us the significance of the study and who will benefit from this study.
And for the significance of this study, so we have the following are the beneficiaries of this research. Number one, the teachers. They maybe get meaningful information from the research, especially in enhancing their teaching methodology in reading. And number two is students. Through this study, they will realize how advantageous reading is and how they could improve their reading skills. And for number three, for the community, this research can uplift the reading status of the community and encourage them to use the reading games in meaningful ways. And for the research questions, so we have 5 questions. First, what is the functional reading level of the grade 6 pupils in terms of word recognition and comprehension? And for number 2, what are the reading grade levels of the frustrated readers before the reading games are introduced in terms of word recognition and comprehension? And for number 3, what are the reading grade levels of the frustrated readers after the reading games are introduced in terms of word recognition and comprehension? And for number 4, is there a significant difference between the reading grade levels of the frustrated readers in word recognition and comprehension before and after the reading games are introduced? And for number 5, based on the findings, what reading lesson guide can be formulated? Methodology. The grade 6 Onyx pupils of Maharlika Elementary School were the subjects of the action research. There was a total of 15 grade 6 pupils chosen from 50 pupils, total population of grade 6 Onyx. These 50 pupils were advices of one of the researchers himself. Out of 50 pupils, 15 were identified frustrated readers and could read with minimal comprehension. We utilized quasi-experimental method using pre-test, post-test one group design. In this method, the researchers let the grade 6 pupils take the IRI or the informal reading inventory before the reading intervention. After which, the intervention was applied using the reading games. After the reading intervention was done, the researchers gave a post-test using the same material to the same pupils. The purpose of this will be make a conclusion whether the frustrated readers improve their reading grade level or not after the intervention.
Before I will present the Table 7, I would like to give you the results in Table 1 to 6. Table 1 shows that out of the 52 grade 6 pupils, 28 or 53.85% belongs to instructional level. Table 2 depicts that out of 52 grade 6 pupils, 40 or 76.92% of the pupils are frustrated readers. It is clearly indicated in Table 3 also that the reading grade levels of grade 6 frustrated readers are grades 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the reading grade level prior to the use of reading games in reading instruction. Table 4 reflects data on the reading grade level of the frustrated grade 6 readers. Based on the data, 36 or 90% of the grade 6 frustrated readers in comprehension before the reading games are introduced belong to grade 1 level only. This means that majority of the grade 6 frustrated readers can only comprehend 98% of what they read when provided with grade 1 or passage 1 reading material. It can be inferred in table 5 that after reading games, there are 20 or 50% frustrated readers whose reading grade level belongs to grade 5. It is reflected in the data in table 6 that after the reading games are introduced, there are 10 or 25% of the grade 6 frustrated readers who successfully reach the appropriate reading grade level, which is grade 6. To answer research question number 4, we presented the results in table 7. It can be gleaned in table 7 that the difference in the student's grade level in word recognition before and after reading games are introduced was tested using the SPSS or the Statistical Package for Social Sciences. The result manifests the SIG value of 0.000 described as significant since the computed SPSS is lower than the SIG value, which is 0.05. This means that the reading grade level of the pupils in word recognition has improved through the reading games. So meaning, the reading games are effective tools to improve the grade level of the frustrated readers. In terms of contribution to educational community, this research primarily helped improve the reading proficiency of the children in the school and in the community itself. The dissemination of the results of the study informed the community about the benefits that students can get from using reading games in their reading activities.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope you learned from our presentation.